Hello. What? The things I do for my channel.
Why you? This ain't Pictionary, bitch. Just fucking say it.
Hi, I was just calling to see if your fridge was running.
Don't prank me, dude. Go call someone else, dude.
You know, sometimes just things weigh down on you.
It breaks my heart because I never wanted my kids to grow up without a parent, let alone a parent who was
You. It has been 1 week today since I had my surgery. Let's show you this scar, this freaking ugly scar that shut up. Oh my gosh, she got me the I've been wanting this palette so bad. Honestly, when I see women who are like so naturally pretty, I'm just like, oh, you're so beautiful, like you're so naturally beautiful. Stay that way. Yeah, dig in. Oh.
You can't see it, but we have a fireplace in the back.
Yeah. Today, as you can see, I am transforming my daughter into me, and we've already... Thank you all for watching. You're all beautiful. I love every one of you who just watches my videos and like all the sweet comments that I get. It's just, it means a lot to me. It's helped me through a really hard time. When I started my channel, like it's still small, but when I started my channel, I was going through a lot, and I still am. Being able to like see that people actually care and like reach out to me and give me sweet words, it means a lot to me, and it really helps me. It's really helped boost my self-confidence. So really, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching.